Hello everyone! Today we'll be doing a few simple yet effective exercises to help you manage the symptoms of your trigger finger. Now I have placed one sticker over here to indicate that I'll be doing the exercises on my middle finger, but if you are having trigger finger on either your index finger or your ring finger, just follow along and do the exact same thing. Without further ado, let's get started with the rehab exercises. Okay, so let's start by placing two fingers over here where you can feel like there's a significant nodule over here. If you have trigger finger, right, it will be quite obvious. Most of the tissue here will be tighter than the other finger, and that's what's causing the symptoms of your trigger finger. So place two fingers firmly over here. Try to glide side to side like this, right? And we'll be doing this for 20 repetitions. Make sure you are not pushing too hard or pushing too soft, just a firm pressure here, and let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let the tissue rest for a while and we will be repeating the same thing. Alternatively, you can try to use a pen to do it like this, right? If you have a pen, you can do it like this to rest your fingers. But if you have nothing, you have no tool, that's fine. Just use both of your fingers like this, right? Okay, so I'll be showing the next set with a pen. Push down here with a firm pressure and go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Alright, so next up, I want you to pull your finger all the way down to the base of your palm like this, right? So ideally, you don't want the other fingers to go up too much. Try to stabilize them using your own strength towards the table and just pull the finger that you want towards the base of your palm here until you feel a strong stretch. Hold it there for 10 counts, right? Okay, let's do together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's just one repetition. I want you to repeat this for 10 repetitions, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, keep going. Hold it up. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Okay, try to feel the stretch. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Keep going. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, another 5 more. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax and bend up again. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, last two. Give it a nice stretch down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do it one more time. Pull down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next up, I want you to flip your palm over and place it like this, right? With the palm resting on the table firmly like this. And we will be stretching the finger into extension. So we go from here towards the top like this, right? Until you feel a strong stretch over here. try to maintain the other fingers firmly onto the table. Don't let them come up like this, right? I want all of them to place firmly, sticking onto the table, and just the finger that you are having trigger finger going upwards like this, right? Okay, let's start and do another 10 repetition of this, holding for 10 counts each. Ready? Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, rest and go back down. Make sure you are feeling a strong stretch. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, keep going. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Okay, go. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again. Go. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure the stretch is strong, but you are not causing any structural or tissue damage, right? If it's too painful, then you should be reducing the pressure a little. Okay, so another 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, give me last 3, right? Bring it up and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One last time, give your finger a nice stretch up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now next up, we will be doing something called tendon gliding, right? So what I want you to do is to stabilize your finger until it's here and just move the top part of the finger. See that you are actually moving 2 segments. The first segment is here and the second segment is here. So I want you to stabilize the rest of your hand from 2 segments down. Stabilize here and let it bend up like this, right? So for some of you, you might be bending up all the fingers like this and find it's very hard to control with only your middle finger coming up. That's okay. Just try your best to isolate the finger that you want, right? If you find yourself moving like this, that's fine. Right? Just try your best to control and do it up like this. Okay, let's begin and do this for 15 times. Ready? Hold here, bend up, down. Right? If you are having troubles with the other finger, just try to stabilize them with your hand. Okay, 2, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, give me 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now next up, move 1 segment up, right, from here towards here until only the last segment of your finger is moving like this, right? So there's very limited movement. You need to try to feel here and let the tendon glide, right? Okay, so let's get ready. Move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You really feel that finger isolating on its own, right? 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now rest for a while and we will be repeating the same movement again, right? Starting from this side, bend up like this for another 15 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just follow along. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Okay, now let's do the other one where you stabilize everything else except the top part of your finger. Another set of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's right. Now before we end the exercise routine, I want you to once again release the nodule over here, right? Give it a good cross-frictional massage, side to side. Okay, let's get ready. 2 fingers onto the nodule and we do another 20 times back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, that will be all for the rehab exercise routine for your trigger finger. Try to repeat the whole routine for at least 2 to 3 times a day so that you can improve faster on the recovery of your trigger finger. I'll be seeing you again in the next exercise video.